Ma, maraming salamat sa lahat. Sa 25 years nating pagsasama. And I promise, Ma, na sa susunod na 25 years, lalong mas joyful ang ating pagsasama, kasama ng ating mga anak.
To my dear and loving husband, if ever two were one, then surely we. If ever man were loved by wife, then thee. If ever wife was happy in a man, compare with me, ye woman, if you can. I prize thy love more than whole mines of gold, or all of the riches that the east doth hold.
And mapangako sa iyo na mas pag-iigihan pa natin, lalong-lalo na ako, na maipakita ang lahat ng pagmamahal.
My love is such that rivers cannot quench, nor aught but love from thee give recompense. Thy love is such I can no way repay, the heavens reward their manifold. I pray, then meanwhile we live in love, let's so preserve, that when we live no more, we may live ever.
Pa, salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa amin, sa karir po namin. Salamat po at ginagabayan niyo po kami parati. Best wishes po at sana araw-araw po kayo laging masaya.
Ma, Pa, all throughout my life at existence ay minold niyo ako sa ganitong tao in different personalities na sa bawat situations na kailangan ganito ang i-act ako.
To the man who changed my life in more ways than I can count, my best friend and wonderful husband, I love you more than you know. I don't tell you every day, but just know that I appreciate all you do. I appreciate the thought and effort that you put in our relationship. I still recall the first moment that I looked into your eyes and knew that our connection was phenomenally special.
Pagmamahal na gaya ng binibigay ng Panginoon sa atin. And maraming salamat sa lahat. Mahal na mahal kita.
Every moment I have spent with you since then has been truly exceptional, and I'm so blessed. To my one true love, I love you to the moon and back.